Did you know that approximately 146.1 million tons of recyclable waste is landfilled and buried under the earth? Recyclable waste that could be turned into something else. Waste contaminates recycling, and a piece of paper that could have been reused becomes unusable after a yogurt cup splatters it with yogurt. My name is Anna Pavitt, and I am an 8th grader who currently attends Alta Vista Middle School in San Francisco. And my app, BinGenius, could lessen and potentially stop this worldwide ongoing problem. From an early age, it's always been hard for me to know which bin I should put each piece of trash in, like at school. Something that would typically go in trash, I would put in recycling, which could potentially contaminate an entire batch of recycling. So what's the solution? My app, BinGenius, your garbage know-it-all. To create BinGenius, I use the languages HTML for my main coding and CSS for my style sheet. I used Live Server to get it on the web, and I used VS Code as my program for coding the app. This is my website, BinGenius in action. If you were, for instance, at a mall and you needed to know which bin to put your trash in, you would input the item and it would tell you which bin to put it in. For example, I wanted to throw away my banana peel. I would simply input banana peel and it would tell me which bin to put it in, the compost bin. Not only does the website sort trash, but it has a game that can check for the user's understanding of what goes in each bin. For instance, the banana peel, as we just said, would go in the compost. Plastic bottle would go in the recycling. You would keep going and it would keep track of your score and you would be put on a leaderboard. If you wanted to overall see what goes in each bin, below the actual trash sorting text box is 3 color-coded boxes that tell you which goes in each bin. It also tells you why sorting trash matters and what it does to the world. This is my code for the main homepage. I made a list in the function sort trash, which has the constants compost, recycle, and trash. That's how each item you choose to input gets sorted. Below that is the code for the 3 color-coded boxes of overall info and what to put in each bin. This is my file for the game. I put different levels, 1, 2, and 3. If you get an answer wrong, you get 1 less point, and if you get an answer right, you get 1 point. After you win, you would be prompted to add your initials to the leaderboard. This is my file for the credits. This is my style sheet. It had my main fonts, Sensation, and the colors I used. There are over 48,000 landfills taking trash every day all around the world. These landfills do significant damage to the environment by adding to the already worsening climate change and pollute nearby towns and cities, causing respiratory problems to those living there. By reducing the amount of waste that ends up in trash, we can help lessen the amount of climate change and pollution in the air every day. But to do that, we need to learn what goes in each bin. BinGenius, your garbage know-it-all, is the solution to pollution.